Alright, tell them what you're doing, Paul.
Well, I got a production colony that is not had a queen come back well past time. And if I don't get a queen in there right now, they're going to dwindle so much they ain't going to make it. They damn sure ain't going to make no honey. So this is a 4-framer from earlier in the year. Swarm cell. I figured if anything can fix them out, this will do it. Yeah, just drop a nuke right in the center of this production colony. Mission accomplished. Then immediately they're going to say, my goodness, this is a good one. Look what she's done already. Maybe a little too fat to stick this in there. I'll put a different frame in there. Put this one up top. Yeah, so make use of them early swarm cells. Drop them in a box for emergency situations like this one. Alright, so 1, 2. Yeah, make sure you stand in the front of it where all the action is. Test your hive's temperament. Yeah, if you're going to get stung, it's going to be up front where all the business is happening. Yeah. Got 1 frame, 2 frames, cat brood, plenty of honey. Yeah. Get in there quick before the hive beetles take over and ruin all your honey.
That's one thing that we haven't seen. I haven't seen any today.
I saw one on that lid right there, but yeah, swarm queens, they seem to be doing a better job. All around, better job.
Look at all the girls piled up behind him. Over here next to me. Of course, I'm blocking this one.
Yeah, and one thing's for sure, you got a hot colony, they'll let you know when you stand in front of the door. They will definitely let you know. Alright, I didn't see that queen nowhere.
Is she a wall crawler?
Maybe a wall crawler. There's plenty of bees in there. Still in the box. She could easily be on that wall. Alright. They definitely like her, I can tell.
I don't see her in the box either, but...
Alright. Yeah, she's probably in there. And then again, you know, she may just be a funny color. Maybe we'll bonk them in there. Smelling yeah, that smells good. Yeah, I am not seeing the queen in there, so may have just missed her. Let's see how irritated they get now.
Yeah, especially after I dropped the dang phone.
All right, ready?
Go for it. Run, run. Oh, sorry.
I got half of them. Let's try it again. That'll
And
do.
you do this with your bees.
That will do it. Don't put a veil on, you're gonna hang out here. Just in case. Your dog. My dog. You leave my dog in the house right now.